welcome to ISTV English News. This is Nandita Lashram giving you the news. First, the headlines. Manipur joins the world in observing World AIDS Day. And 7-day Hornbill Festival begins at Kohima. And now the news in details. Manipur joins the rest of the world in observing World AIDS Day. The main function in the state organized by the government of Manipur was held today at MFDC Auditorium Hall at Palace Compound. This year the theme of the observation is Getting to Zero with the slogan Working Together for an AIDS-free generation. The observation function was attended by His Excellency Governor of Manipur Gurbachan Singh Jagat and Chief Minister Akram Ibobi Singh as chief guest and president respectively. A fair was also organized on the occasion.
Manipur is having a long border with Myanmar, which is one of the major heroin producing centers in the world. Besides, due to the porous international borders, both illicit chemicals and people can cross the border with impunity. This creates a situation in that interventions cannot be localized to the citizens of the state, but those coming from other states and from across the borders. I am happy to note that efforts in this direction are being made at Moreh, besides targeting the migrant workers who are mostly males and sexually active. It is alarming to learn that substance abuse is high among teenagers in Manipur. It is not only in Manipur but in other places as well. This is due to various reasons, but the desire to experiment during the formative years is a driving psychological motive. The problem is that once they start with mild substances, they graduate to stronger substances to get the same kick, ultimately resorting to mainlining or injecting these substances.
The awareness level and to bring positive behavior among the youth in coordination with health department, NGOs and civil societies. It is encouraging and worthy of prizes that many youth HIV positive men and women of the state have been out public and joined the fight against the problem of HIV and AIDS. There is ample room for involvement of the civil society in the revised policy document to fight this problem. I invite suggestion and modification from all stakeholders to make the policy more effective and suitable to the states. I appreciate the efforts taken by Manipur State AIDS Control Society and the Health Department and NGOs to fight the problem of HIV and AIDS in our state effectively.
The day was also observed at a conference hall of Manipur Network of Positive Peoples at Yaiskul. The function was jointly organized by MNP Plus and Recovery Alliance. Attending the function were MZU President A. Mobi, General Secretary of SESO Y. Sushil Kumar, and Secretary of MNP Plus Obito Salam. On the occasion, Sub-Editor of Huyen Lanpao Delhi, Pramod was conferred with the Man of the Year award for his contribution towards HIV and AIDS and people living with HIV. On the occasion, people living with HIV and AIDS and working on the field also shared their testimony. Speaking on the occasion, MJU President A. Mobi appealed to media persons to file the positive sides of the people living with HIV instead of filing their sufferings.
Since Jomba to down knowing I say, you some years in Matanga, Median and the popular people know yet. Equina, I say, you some years that Adriana Tiva, Suana Pacalisi, Equi Median people reposes to Sopam and Manhattan. Marandi, I say, you some years the hour to do have Equi Median some illegal. She even missing evil, other in Texas missing evil. Simon Yan was another, I call it around when you walk on the pocket, but in my the sing a wizard, some handle put a while. I walk, government of Bachelor River, NGOs in the Bachelor River, civil societies in Bachelor River, is even now, but must be even sound. ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯁ꯭ꯇꯣꯔꯤ ꯑꯃꯁꯨ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯌꯦꯡꯕ ꯃꯊꯧ ꯇꯥꯏꯅ ꯈꯜꯂꯤ.
The function was jointly organized by District AIDS Prevention and Control Committee Imphal West and Red Ribbon Club Imphal College. The function was attended by Imphal West DC Radhakumar, Dean of Students Imphal College L. Landhoni Devi, Program Manager of MNP Plus NG Ratan Kumar and other important dignitaries. Speaking on the occasion, Landhoni Devi said the students of the region need to be aware in fighting against HIV and AIDS. She also said that parents need to play a big role in contributing the disease. The week-long annual Hornbill Festival, coinciding with Nagaland Statehood Day, begins today at Kisama Heritage Village, which will be formally inaugurated by Nagaland Governor Nikhil Kumar in presence of Chief Minister Nephew Rayo and other dignitaries. An Indo-Myanmar conference jointly organized by the state government and the Ministry of External Affairs under the theme North-East Bridgehead between Myanmar and India would be held on the second day, where around 15 MPs and MLAs from the neighboring countries are participating. Other foreign dignitaries and officials will also be taking part in the festival. U.S. Consul General Kolkata Dean R. Thompson and kick-start the Hornbill Music Festival as the chief guest and guest of honor respectively. According to Directorate of Tourism, over 2,000 foreigners visited Nagaland in 2011 and out of them 1,000 came here during the festival alone. The theme of this year's festival is Unity, where many events are being organized with the people from Northeast states participating. Month-long observation of Nupilal Memorial begins today at the office of Nupilal Memorial Association Manipur at Tera. The month-long observation will conclude on the 31st of this month. The function was attended by President of Nupilal Memorial Association Manipur K. Ibembishak, Jila Parishad member of Patsoi AC Th Sumanta, Secretary of Observation Committee K. Gambini and Vice President of the Association Th Ibemal as President members. President of the Association K. Ibembishak also released a flag on the occasion for public donation. Floral tributes were also paid to the portrait of the late mothers during the function. Speaking on the occasions, Jila Parishad member of Patsoi AC Th Sumanta said, "We must not forget the ultimate sacrifices of our late leaders."
모두 facility 구조상 많이 비 아두고 꾸준히 마시 때문에 아니 다들 들으지 아두고 비리가 비대가 가는데 아이 들으면 가는데 아두고 아토고 스테이션에 상관으로 또는 심로 facility 구조상 많이 모두 이탈리아가 뭐고 사춘자가 뭐고기 무시로 upp거나 보는 거나 지금도 구동상 많이 수비 아두고 OECD
Former Prime Minister Inder Kumar Gujral was cremated in the capital today at 3 p.m. near Samata Satal. He was also given a state funeral. The dead body has been kept at his residence in Janpat for the public to pay their last respect. Mr. Gujral died in Gurgaon on the outskirts of Delhi on Friday. He would have turned 93 on December 4. Mr. Gujral had been on dialysis for over a year. He was admitted to a hospital on November 19 with a lung infection. Mr. Gujral was Prime Minister for the year between 1996 and 1997 during a turbulent political time for the country. He succeeded H. Devi Gowda as Prime Minister after the Congress withdrew support to United Front government and remained at the Congress mercy till his own government fell. Mr. Gujral was the best known for his Gujral doctrine, which proposed closer ties with India and her neighbor. He also opened dialogue with Pakistan despite its prickly attitude towards India. Mr. Gujral was also a foreign minister twice. Well, but before we close the headlines once again, Manipur joins the world in observing World AIDS Day. And 7-day Hornbill Festival begins at Kohima. With this, we end this news. Thanks for watching and stay tuned.